today we are going to see stocks. So you could see the index has given a positive close and stocks are almost sideways. Okay, we'll start with Reliance. So we have Reliance chart here. Let me make it bigger. I'm just going to check for August month. Okay, so this is August. Open, high, low and close. So your open is almost near to close, so it's a positive decay up till week 2 for Reliance. Now we'll go to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank stats. So this is HDFC open, high and almost low is here and then close. So almost open is almost near to close, so till now it is positive decay for second week straight for HDFC Bank. Now we have ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank open equals to almost high on that day and then now it's low equals to close. Under this condition it would have a negative decay. Okay, now we'll check more confirmations in the OI. So here I'm going to take Trading Tick website. So first off I'm going to check is Reliance. Okay, so not the straddle part, sorry, I just have to open the call. Okay, so here you could see how call writing is more for Reliance, and then we'll go for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, and clearly you could see here also call writing is heavily built up. ICICI Bank is drifting down, though Reliance and HDFC are almost near to their open, August month open. ICICI resistance is more. Okay, now we'll check the close range OI. So sorry, I just have to move this. Okay, yeah, now here we will check. So first is ICICI Bank, then Nifty Trader website, OTM 23 and 10, so resistance is more. Next we will check for HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is 26 and 15, here also resistance is very good. Now we'll check for Reliance. When you check for Reliance, it's 75.27. So Reliance is having more number of resistance and it is not reflected in the price action. That means there's a chance that last week the price of Reliance can go up. Okay, now we'll do a small price action comparison for the straddle chart. So let me take the straddle snapshot. You just go to Trading Tick and then you will select straddle snapshot. Here you can check all the stocks. So I'm going to straight dive in for Reliance, and then here also I'm going to go select Reliance. Okay, so we are going to check for Reliance. The chart is not loading here. So let me just refresh it. Okay, I will just try to open ICICI if that opens. Okay, so we'll go to ICICI then. We'll come back to Reliance afterwards. Let me take ICICI Bank. So here ICICI Bank, you could see it was a complete sideways. When you check open, it's 1420, the yellow line. I'm just taking the round off number and this is a profitable trade. So for week 2, day 4, almost from 50 it came down to 36, which is actually a very good decay point. Okay, now let's calculate the PNL. So from 36 to 34 it is 2 points decay. Open minus close is 2 points and one lot is 700 for ICICI Bank. Now this times this is 1400. So this is a profitable trade. okay, because it was a sideways day. And then you could see open here and close here. Okay, now we'll move on to HDFC Bank. Let me open HDFC Bank here. So this is HDFC Bank. When you check for open is 80, and this is also a profitable trade. Now we'll come back to Reliance again. Okay, so now Reliance is available. Let me check Reliance. So when you check Reliance, open was 80. Again, this is a profitable trade. So that's it, guys. Thank you.